It's Chemistry Night Live! Starring Grant Neal, Jacob Stafford, and Michael Dan Miller. Featuring Reed Neal and Emily Dan Miller. And your host, Julius Sumner Miller. Here's Julius Sumner Miller.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen and boys and girls. It's great to be here hosting Chemistry Night Live. However, instead of a comedy monologue for the viewing pleasure of the audience, I've prepared an experiment. In this experiment, we will be heating a can, therefore increasing the pressure of the particles inside the can. They will move faster. Alright, so I will press the button here, turn the heat up. I will put on my safety glasses for safety and use some hot hands and oven mitt. It abruptly began to wobble. I am heating it. I am heating it. Alright, boys and girls, I've done this experiment tens of thousands of times. It excites me every time. It's one of my favorites. Alright? And don't worry, back at my Cornell days, they called me Julius Steady Hands Miller. Vibrating like a fiend.
Whoa!
What a pop, ladies and gentlemen. Live from New York, it's Chemistry Night!
New from the Discovery Channel. One man is on a mission.
Hello, I'm Edwin Longshanks, host of Element Hunt.
To hunt them all. The risk
These are my electrons.
is high. So he is joined by 3 companions.
This is Native American Earth Specialist running hydrogen. This is Native Texan and natural-born killing machine, Franz Ferdinand Fluoride.
Yeehaw.
Marine Special Forces and Guinness Book of World Records hula hoop holder, Arthur Cinderella.
Together, they will take down every element in the periodic table, from helium to nobelium. Catch The Element Hunter, Tuesdays at 7/8 Central on Discovery Channel.
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Jeopardy. I am your host, Alex Trebek. We have 3 contestants returning today, and most of these questions will be on the first grade level, so they should have no trouble answering them. Our first contestant is Charlie Sheen, followed by Dmitry Mendeleev, and then Sean Connery. First we go to Charlie Sheen with a leading score of 24 cents.
I got tiger blood, man. Scoreboard, I'm winning.
Our next contestant is Dmitry Mendeleev with a close second of negative $1,100.
Certain characteristic properties of elements can be told by their atomic weights.
Sorry, Dmitry, we have some trouble understanding you. I'm surprised, actually. I thought you'd be good at these chemistry concepts.
I apologize. I spent all night with my precious vodka.
And in last, as always, with negative $700,200, our own Sean Connery. Ready to go back at it, Sean?
Ready as your mother last night, Trebek.
Let's move on to our categories. Fun with UN, where all the answers will end in ION or UN. Name that compound. And say your name. In this category, all you have to do is state your name and we will give you points.
Fun with iron, baby, for 300.
An ion or group of ions having a positive charge and characteristic moving toward the negative electrode in electrolysis. Dmitry. I'm sorry, Dmitry, we couldn't accept that because we didn't understand you. Charlie.
Winning.
No, that's not even close, and it doesn't end in ION.
I thought it in my mind, and it was so.
I'm sorry, the correct answer is, what is a cation? Alright, Sean, you're the only one who didn't get to pick a category, so we'll move on to you.
The one on the end.
You mean say your name. You might actually have a shot at this one. It's all you have to do is say your name. Let's move on to Final Jeopardy with Mrs. Sarah Palin.
6.02 times 10 to the 23rd is the number of particles in this unit.
Let's take a look at our answers. Charlie, winning. That's incorrect. Dimitri, I'm sorry, that's incoherent and that is incorrect. Alright, Sean. Trebek is stupid. Ha. I'm sorry, Sean, that's very incorrect.
Until next week, this has been Celebrity Jeopardy.